this can be the best strategy which you can use in the market for the long term. In the long term, if you understand this strategy with very less capital, you can make a lot of return. If you understand this strategy, I'm going to take you through a trade which I've taken in the Indian market, especially Nifty, and I'm going to show you with very less capital, you can make a great return if you understand this strategy. Okay. So I'm going to take you through the live execution. I'm going to show you my P&L. I have multiple accounts. I trade in multiple accounts to balance my position sizing. And I'm going to show you two of my small accounts to understand that how you can make a great return in the market if you understand the charts better. So if you are an option buyer, my advice is you need to have a great knowledge about the charts. And if you have a great knowledge about the charts, you don't need anything else other than risk management and trading psychology. If you have everything in place with very less capital, you can make great returns and by executing on proper trades. So I'm going to quickly go through the charts, and I'm going to share you my profit and loss statements, and I'm going to talk about my experience as a trader. Okay. So recently what I did is I've been trading in the Forex market as well. So in the December, I have never traded Nifty even for a single day. So I was actually not actively trading Nifty, mainly because it was in a holiday season. So the first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the 1 hour chart and going to tell you about what is happening in the market. So if you look at the charts, if you look at the Nifty 1 hour chart, you can see that the market was actually trending down. We had a great sell-off in the market in the previous months, right? We had a great sell-off in the market. Again, after that, the market, you can see that the market was having a high, the market was trying to take a breath. After having a great sell-off, the market was trying to take a break, and the market was trying to go up. So after that, again, the market was trying to go down. So this is where I was looking. So I understand that by looking at the weekly time frame, by looking at the 1 day time frame, I understand that the market is going down and the market structure is going down. So I'm not ready to take any upward trades, like any I'm not interested to take any bullish trades, and I'm more interested to take bearish trades. And I will be showing a trade which I've taken today. Okay. So if you look at if you understand this level, the first thing which you need to keep in mind here is the weekly time frame is going down, the 1 day time frame is going down. So any trades which I'm taking with the trend can give me a great results comparing to any trades which I'm taking opposite the trend. So if you look at the hourly time frame, the market actually had a great up move. I actually made a money on this as well, but the market, what happened is from this BOS level 24023, the market was not able to go up from this particular level. So this level, I was really looking at this particular level. In order for the market to go up, in order for the market to continue this rally, the big rally, like if you zoom in, you can see this big rally, right? So in order for the market to go up from this particular level, the market need to respect this BOS level, and the market need to go up from this particular level. But you can see that the market was not able to go up from this particular level, and the market came down from that level, right? So I was looking at this level. I was not executing any trades, mainly because in the overall mindset, my daily bias is the market might go down because the overall trend is downwards. So if you look at this particular level, the market was not able to go up. And if you look at the 15 minutes, this is where the game happens, right? If you look at the 15 minutes, I was looking at this particular level of 24006. I'm going to so 24006. I was looking at this particular level, right? The market was not able to go up from this particular level. The market tried to go up, and after testing this fair value gap, the market came down. This is where I had a proper confirmation that there can be a downward move, right? So this, in the 1 hour, I was looking at the 1 hour, I saw a proper market structure shift. A market structure shift is whenever a price from a bullish trend, when the price changes to the bearish trend, I call that a market structure shift. This is what happened in the market. By looking at the lower time frame, I confirmed that trend. From the market moving to the upward, the market then came back down in the 15 minute after seeing this close candle. I was looking at the 3 minute. By looking at the 3 minute, you can see that The market came back down, took some liquidity below this particular level. This was the level which was watching, right? So from this level, the market came back up again, took the fair value gap, came back down. What I did is I ended my quantity here. I entered my quantity right around here. So I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. So the overall market, the overall view, the 1 week is down, right? It is going down. 1 day down, and the overall trend is going down. What we were waiting for the market to give as a proper market structure shift to the downside. We were looking at the 1 hour BOS level, right? We were looking at the 1 hour BOS level. In order for the market to go up, the market need to respect this particular level, and it need to go down. It need to go up. But what you can see here is the market tested this fair value gap and came back down. So after seeing a proper 15-minute close, what we did is we then came back down to the 3-minute time frame. So this is the 15-minute close, right? This is the 15-minute close at 10:30. After seeing the 15-minute close on the on the time frame, then we came back to the 3-minute. I executed my trades, right? I executed my trades. So this is where I ended my trade. The second entry was here. In the main account, in the bigger account, I took entry right around here. So what you can see here is this area. This is this area. You can see the low right here. In the upper side, you can see the low, right? So it is 23,937. And you can see the high of this candle as well. 23 here, you can see the high, okay? 23,937. So it is obvious, you know. So I took the entry right around here, okay? I ended here. At all of this level, I was entering. So when I took an entry here, this was my stop loss. And I exited right around here. So you can see the RR which I have taken, 14.85. 14.85. So if you are taking trades, you need to focus on your RR. So I'm going to share you the PNL as well. I don't need to hide anything. I need to be transparent. Even though I don't trade actively in the Indian market, still I am going to show you my PNL as well. So if you see here, this is one of the trades. This is one of my account. I don't know how much capital I used here. Let me calculate. So at 1046, this was my entry, 1046.55. So this was around here, right? Around here, 1046. 1046, this was my entry candle. And you can see the exit at 1149.45. 1149.45. This was my exit. Look at the perfect exit. Before this rally, I was able to exit the market. This is because of the knowledge which I have based by looking at the charts. So I exited right around here by capturing this particular area, right? So I was actually entering again at this particular level as well in many of my accounts, right? So this is how it happens. So this is my position. So you can see the buy. I think we used just 15,000 capital and we exited at this particular level, right? We used just 15,000 to capture this profit. And again, I think one more account I'm going to show here. In this account, you can see the entry. I think I have taken multiple entry here. So in this account, 1047 and 1149 was the exit. 1149 was the exit. And again, I ended again here at 91.71. You can exit it with a small profit, I guess. So this is the magic of option buying. This is the magic of, if you have a proper charting knowledge, you can execute trades and you can make a lot of money. So I I actually forget to introduce myself. It doesn't matter who I am. It doesn't matter how much profit I'm making. All it matters is what you are able to take from this video. What information you are able to take from this video is the only thing which is happening here. So you need to understand that if you understand a time frame, like if you focus on a time frame, let's say I focus on the 1 hour time frame, and whenever there is a market structure shift, I take trades on the lower time frame. This is what happened, right? By looking at the higher time frame, weekly, daily, then we came back to the lower time frame of 15 minute by looking at 24021. You know how I got this level, right? You know how I got this particular level. This level was this BOS level, right? This level, from this particular level, the price was not able to go up and the price came back down and we executed trades. So my name is Arshad and welcome to AI Trading Community, and I hope you will subscribe this video, and I'm going to, if you support me, I'm going to show you and share you more videos. I don't need anything from you. I'm going to give you proper value so that your life changes as a trader. I know a lot of people around me as a trader, they are struggling, and I need to give you the proper knowledge rather than giving you price action and indicators. I need to give you the proper knowledge which can change your trading career. And thank you so much. And Arshad, I'm signing off.